Jo, da sind wir wieder. Weiter geht's.
Hey, I got turned around. Is that person still there?
No, he's gone.
I'll call you when I get back.
Okay. Die Luft scheint rein zu sein. Mann. Ja, jetzt nimmt es mir dann aber Wunder, was da oben jetzt weg ist. Oder neu hinzugekommen ist. Oder ist er noch da? Sie sieht ihn einfach nicht. Macht mir irgendwie auch ein bisschen Angst da.
I don't see anyone up here.
She was just there.
Fuck.
Left a cassette player taped to my damn door.
I don't even know what to say to that.
Well, let's see what's on it.
Ja, let's find out. Ja, anscheinend werden wir immer noch abgehört, hä? So wie es aussieht.
What's on it, Henry?
It's a tape of us talking down at the site. It sounds like it was recorded from somewhere nearby.
Oh,
Oder so.
Jesus.
Yeah, and it sounds like we were the ones who burned it down and that it was your idea.
No.
We are screwed.
No!
Scheiße.
Dee, just don't freak out, okay? Don't freak out.
Oh my god, what the fuck is happening, Henry?
Ach du Scheiße. Ja. Nein, anscheinend nicht mitgelesen, sondern von der Nähe aufgenommen und so geschnitten, dass es so tönt, dass wir das Zeug angezündet haben. Ja. Weil die Idee haben wir ja gehabt, haben es dann aber nicht gemacht. Nachher ist es aber trotzdem abbrennt. Und ja. Fuck. Burn the place down, ja.
What's wrong?
Someone claiming to be Henry in Two Forks called a lookout in another sector early this morning and said that I knew what caused the Wapiti Meadow fire. So, I just got off the horn with that lookout who's wondering what I know, or that I'm an arsonist, or that I'm fucking losing it. Furthermore, I bet you don't have the only tape of us from last night, so someone has evidence to back it up. We need to find out what someone's been keeping in that cave.
I'm going down there now.
We don't have a lot of time left out here, and if we don't find some fucking answers, when they lift us out of here, it's gonna be in handcuffs.
Ja.
We have to stick together, okay? Keep our story straight. From the first day with those girls to the person breaking in on our conversation, everything. We gotta be honest and consistent.
Yeah, I suppose you're right.
I know.
Ja. Es ist ja auch die Wahrheit, ja. Aber eben, wenn es so belastende Beweise hat, wie das Tape, ist natürlich schwierig, um dann das zu erklären. Ah. Ja, da ist meine Axt drin, das ist gut. Also, let's go, gehen wir in die Höhle. Und hoffen wir das Beste. Ist der schon immer so da? Mir gar nicht aufgefallen. Ja, also. Was meint ihr? Was passiert? Ah, ich habe keine Ahnung.
Hey, you didn't actually make that call, right? To your
Nein!
lookout. It just stuck in my craw. I let myself imagine how fucked I would be if you'd been lying to me. But now that I asked, I kind of just wish I hadn't.
Of course I didn't. No way. They're trying to pit us against each other.
Yeah, you're right.
That's not gonna happen though.
Thanks, Henry.
Oh oh. Oder sind wir echt ein Böse? Mann, nein, nicht, oder? Wir sind doch gut, wir sind doch lieb. Wir sind eine helfende Hand, immer. Mann. Ja, da sind wir also. Moment der Wahrheit. Schlüssel wieder mit. Nicht, dass wir nachher noch eingesperrt werden oder so. Nein! Eben das meine ich. Scheiße.
Delilah, someone locked me in the cave.
Ja,
Is this thing working? Delilah! Send someone to the cave, please! Can't get any damn reception.
fuck. War ja klar.
Jesus, this is a big cave.
Okay, dort geht's runter. Ja, hätte ich es jetzt erlauben oder? Oh Gott. Ich weiß jetzt nicht. Soll ich jetzt dort runter oder? Ah. Ist immer so, wenn es so eine Weggabelung gibt. In einen neuen Bereich. Aha, ich kann gar nicht ab. Ja. Gut, wenigstens haben wir das geklärt. Kann ich beruhigt weitergehen, weil eben, wenn man so zwei Wege hat und dann gehst du irgendwo, nimmst einen und dann kannst du nicht mehr zurück und dann nachher weisst du einfach nicht, was im anderen Weg war oder gewesen wäre. Das ist nochmal ein bisschen doof. Aber in dem Fall ist es nicht so. Das kracht sicher wieder zusammen dann. Nicht. Ich kämme also zurück.
Freezing in here.
Psst. Ist da. Okay.
Is anybody down there?
Shit. Schuhe. die ist wirklich noch gross, da die Höhle. Und wo kommen wir da hin? Okay. Tageslicht. Sind wir da?
Hey, are you there?
Yeah, what is it? What did you find?
Nothing yet, because someone tried to trap me in there.
You saw someone?
No, someone slammed the gate behind me and then ran away. I found another way out, but if I hadn't, Jesus!
So you didn't find anything?
No, there's a spot where someone had sunk an anchor, but the hardware's gone now.
I don't have any climbing equipment.
I just have my ropes. I'm gonna hike back to Two Forks and see if I can find anything that could double as an anchor to use in the spot.
Well, that doesn't sound dangerous.
Ja, also gut, dann gehen wir zurück. He? Okay, wir sind jetzt da rausgekommen. Oh, da eigentlich auch wieder rein. Nicht, hä? No. Nein, das ist... So, muss ich da durch? Ah! Wir sind eigentlich südlich, oder? So viel es mir ist. Oder ist das nur der Höhlenweg, wo ich gegangen bin? Wahrscheinlich schon, hä? Muss ich den Telefonmasten an? Da sein. Oder eher nicht. Vielleicht da. Oh.
Delilah, I just found an outcropping that someone was using as a little fort. I think it was Brian Goodwin.
Really?
Yeah, he built himself a real castle. Hey, remember that pack I found?
Back on your second day? Yeah.
I found a plan Brian drew about how he was going to get it back.
Oh, I'm sure it was quite elaborate.
It's some Wile E. Coyote stuff, I'll tell you that much.
Okay, er hat also seinen Rucksack verloren gehabt. Und hat ihn wieder zurückholen von oben. Naja, hat es aber anscheinend nicht geschafft. He? Wo ist er noch an?
Brian was doing a science fair project about bouncing radio waves off of a meteor shower.
Poor kid left his homework?
Yeah, he must have been pretty smart, huh?
Yeah, sharper than a lot of the grown-up knuckleheads I'm used to, yeah.
What, you're saying I'm one of those knuckleheads, is that it?
I wasn't, but, now that I think about it...
Because I know lots of stuff.
Oh, please, drown me in your surplus of knowledge. I've been waiting all these years for a man as wise as you to take this job.
Well, that wait's over, sweetheart.
Call me sweetheart again, and you'll use that big sexy brain of yours to fill out your unemployment paperwork.
Sorry, boss.
Okay. Bleiben wir es bei dem.
I found an old school folder. Brian was a hell of a doodler. It's a little weird that he'd just leave so much of his stuff out here.
Well, maybe they were in a hurry when they left. Like I said, he wasn't supposed to be out here.
Yeah.
They almost got busted. Brian liked to go out on the railing of the tower and wave at the plane
Oops.
that dumped water on fires, and I got a call because someone thought a kid was up in Two Forks. I lied and just said it was Ned. If I ratted him out, they would have been forced to leave, and I don't know, I guess I just felt like I was saving him from whatever shitty life Ned was gonna bring him back to. Not that it ended up mattering.
Dino.
He was in the middle of really sprucing up the joint when they left.
Oho. Da haben wir noch Sachen für.
Bunch of rocks stacked up. He made a wall and a perimeter.
God. Yeah, that's perfect.
You know, maybe he made it because he was afraid of them.
Whenever I think of Brian possibly going through this crap, I get sick to my stomach.
Yeah. Sorry.
Haha. Oh, jetzt hängen wir die mal an. Warum auch immer das wir jetzt machen. Oh. Sieht sich nach etwas aus.
He'd hide out here to read comics. The Black Band, his grief is his enemy's sorrow. Everyone this guy loves gets killed, so he honors them with a black armband which gives him superpowers.
Well, that's fucking dark.
Ja, ich habe irgendwie langsam so einen leichten Verdacht.
There's some grade A dork contraband here.
You found his pocket protector?
I found I guess, a data sheet for one Gladius Silva, half-elf armor 7.
Classic wizards and wyverns.
Huh. Brian stole his dad's climbing gear, his anchors.
That's convenient.
Yeah, it is. I think he was gonna hide them in a cash box or something and never got around to it. I mean, he left a note for a ranger to find them and send them back to him in Nebraska.
Because he hated climbing?
Yeah, it sounds like Ned was pushing him, and pretending to lose his anchors was the easiest way to put a stop to it.
I hope it worked. God, what an asshole.
Yeah. Man, that is the sort of thing that would have caused me to catch a beating growing up.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't put it past old Ned.
Ja, ich lese jetzt so das nicht vor. Also ich meine, sie redet ja, wenn man das reportet, dann wird eigentlich alles geklärt. Jawohl. Ganz geil. Ha!
There's a busted old toy out here, some sort of electronic game.
Yeah? I like Pong.
Everybody likes Pong.
Gosh, Brian had everything he loved out there.
Ja, aber hey, klein, hä?
There's a ham radio schematic here, something Brian was working on.
Yeah, I think that was the one thing Ned did do with him. You know, tinkering on stuff like that.
There's also a postcard here from Brian to, I guess, his neighbor.
What's it say?
That he's with his dad and sorry he can't mow his lawn this summer.
Oh, gosh.
And also he was worried his dad didn't know when school started. I'd say that's a lucky break if I were him.
Yeah, that doesn't surprise me. Ned didn't really seem like a, you know, with it dad.
Was ist da noch los?
He made the place pretty comfy too.
That's an achievement.
Yeah, at the expense of what are probably stolen pillows.
That little shit.
Ja, ich habe irgendwie langsam das Gefühl, dass der Goodwin noch irgendwo rum ist. Ist das echt der Psycho, oder? Aha, das haben wir doch in der Höhle auch gesehen. Ja. Genau, und da kommen wir jetzt wahrscheinlich dann auch aber in der Höhle. So sieht das aus. Gut, gut, gut.
What do you think is in there?
I don't know, really. I mean, we gotta find out. What do you think?
Whatever it is, they don't want you telling anyone about.
I mean, they closed the door when they could have just...
Bashed your head in with a rock or chopped you up with
Are you serious with this shit right now?
a hatchet. God, are you sure you want to go back in there?
Nein, ich bin nicht sicher. Also ja, mich nimmt natürlich...
Honestly, I just want to know. I want to know what is worth doing everything that's been done to us.
Yeah, me too. And not going to jail would be a nice kicker.
Ja eben, wir sind natürlich sehr interessiert herauszufinden, was
Also,
dort drinnen ist.
those girls turned up. Looks like you didn't kill them. Nobody did. They took some farmer's tractor for a joyride down in Riverton and landed in jail.
Dodged a bullet there.
Yeah, we've got enough unanswered shit to answer for, I'd say.
Ja, dann ist schon mal eine Sorge aus dem Spiel. Das ist gut. Das ist gut. Okay, wir kommen die Höhle näher. Da kommt man voll unbekannt vor. Kommt man gar nicht bekannt vor, die Gegend. Aber das ist glaube ich da, wo wir dort mal die Telefonmasten an sind, ja. Ja, ja. Jetzt kommen wir da zu der Höhle. Mal schauen, ob da etwas drin ist. Nope. So. Ah, jetzt geht's weiter. Jetzt können wir dort das Loch ab, oder? Wenn mich nicht alles täuscht. Ja, und jetzt knallt sie dann wieder zu, oder? Anscheinend nicht. Da, oder? Was uns da unten erwartet? Einfach mal erstmal. Ich hoffe, wir gehen nicht drauf. Ich hoffe, wir finden Antworten. Und kommen unbeschadet aus dieser Sache wieder raus. Ja, was meinen ihr? Ja, sagt es mir doch. Like das Video, abonniert den Kanal. Haut rein, passt auf euch auf. Bis dann. Ciao, 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 ciao.